Hi students, MCQ number 15. A certain amount of an ideal gas is taken from state A to state B. One time by process 1 and another time by process 2. If the amount of heat absorbed by the gases are Q1 and Q2 respectively, then we have to find out which of this option is the right answer based on the given diagram. Now the actual diagram given in the question is only the first diagram. So in the diagram it is very clear that by process 1 the system has absorbed Q1 joule to move from A to B state. Next time it absorbs Q2 joule, okay? It absorbs Q2 joule to go from state A to state B. Now which of these option is correct? For that what I have done is I have drawn the first state, that is the first process separately where Q1 joule is absorbed, and the second process 2 separately I have drawn wherein Q2 joule of heat is absorbed. Now in both the cases the beginning state is A and the reaching final state is B. Therefore in both the cases the change in the internal energy, must be same. So delta U is equal to same in both the process. Okay. But my dear students, in the PV indicator diagram, the area under the curve is equal to the work done by the gas. Is it not that? So in the process 1, I have completed this closed curve and I find this area under AB and I call it as what? W1. Similarly, in the second process, the area under this closed portion, okay, is taken to be the work done by the gas W2. So I find that the work done in the first process 1 is greater than the work done W in the second process. So I will write that W1 is greater than W2. So from the first law of thermodynamics we can write delta Q is equal to change in the delta, that is the change in the internal energy delta U plus work done. Okay. So you can also write Q is equal to delta U plus work done. So Q1 is equal to delta U plus W1 and Q2 is equal to delta U plus W2. So in both the cases the change in internal energy is the same because the starting state and ending state remaining the same. So Q1 is proportional to W1 and Q2 is proportional to W2. Okay. Since W1 is greater than W2, therefore Q1 must be greater than Q2. Understand that? So which is the correct option? Option C. Q1 is greater than Q2. Okay. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Okay, so such diagrammatic questions many have been asked in the previous medical and engineering entrance exams. I hope you must have understood this well fine.